Hi, I'm Dr. Andrea Ferrero, and in this video I'll show you the exercises to perform after total hip replacement surgery. This operation is typically performed for osteoarthritis of the joint between the acetabulum and the femoral head. I invite you to watch the informative video on my YouTube channel, which I'll link to at the end of this video. The order of the 11 exercises I present to you can be changed, and it is important that they are done every day to ensure rapid recovery of the functionality of the limb after surgery. Keep in mind that the exercises I'll present are those I allow my patients to do, although the type of exercises you should perform will vary depending on the surgical approach your surgeon performed. It's therefore a good idea to ask your doctor and physical therapist which exercises you can do and which ones you should avoid. Keep in mind that after the surgery it is a good idea to start applying an ice pack immediately, avoiding the direct contact with the skin, using, for example, a towel. The purpose of ice is twofold. First, it reduces any pain, and second, it reduces post-operative swelling. Remember to apply the ice pack for 5 to 10 minutes several times a day. To perform this exercise, you simply have to lie down on the bed or on the couch with a rolled-up towel under your ankle. Perform slow ankle flexion and extension movements, bringing your toes up and down with both legs. Perform 30 repetitions 3 times a day. Lie down. Place a rolled-up towel under your knee and begin to contract your quadriceps by pushing your knee against the towel. In other words, try to push your knee down until it reaches full extension. Perform this exercise 20 times, 3 times a day. Lie down on the bed or on the couch. Try to bend your knee by slowly sliding your heel. Then return to the starting position by fully extending your knee. Perform the exercise 10 times, 3 times a day. While sitting or lying down, try to raise your entire operated leg, keeping your foot raised 30 centimeters from the surface. Repeat the exercise at least 10 times and perform it 3 times a day. To increase the effectiveness of this exercise, try to hold the foot in the mid-air position for 5 seconds before lowering it. Lie on your back, focusing on the position of your knees, which should point directly toward the ceiling, but without rotating inward or outward. Pivoting on your back and feet, gently lift your buttocks upward, lifting them off the surface. Perform 20 repetitions twice daily. To make the exercise significantly more effective, try to hold your buttocks raised for 5 seconds at a time before relaxing. While lying down, try to move the operated limb outward, sliding it gently on the table. Be careful not to rotate the foot inward or outward, but to instead keep it in a neutral position. The toes should always point straight up. To facilitate this motor control, hold your foot in a hammer position, that is, at a 90 degrees angle to the axis of your leg. Perform 20 repetitions in a row twice a day. For this exercise, lie on your healthy side with the operated limb facing upward. Always keep a pillow between your legs. The leg resting on the bed should be bent and pointed slightly backward to ensure stable and secure support. Slowly raise the operated limb so that the knee is free from the pillow. Perform 10 repetitions twice daily. To make the exercise more effective, try to hold the limb raised for 5 seconds at a time before returning it to the resting position. Now stand on a stable surface like a chair or piece of furniture. Keep your feet parallel and shoulder width apart. Begin to bend your legs slightly, without letting your knees extend beyond your toes. Increase the difficulty of the exercise by holding the position for 5 seconds. Perform 10 repetitions at least twice a day. Stand, preferably wearing shoes and not barefoot. Hold onto a stable surface like a chair or piece of furniture before beginning to move the operated limb backward, keeping it extended, i.e., without bending the knee. Try to perform the exercise with your back straight and looking forward. Perform 20 repetitions twice a day. Stand with your non-operated side facing a chair or stable surface. Your leg and trunk should be aligned. Lift your foot a few inches off the ground and move the operated limb laterally. Always be careful not to rotate the limb inward or outward or to lean your back laterally. Hold this position for 5 seconds. Perform 20 repetitions twice daily. Stand in front of a chair with your feet about 20 centimeters apart. Shift your weight onto your toes, then lift your heels off the floor. Slowly return to the starting position. Try to increase the difficulty of the exercise by holding the position on tiptoes for about 5 seconds. Perform 10 repetitions twice a day. I wish you a quick recovery. Thank you for watching the video to the end.
Let me know your opinion or suggestions in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, where you'll find many more videos and where I'll try to keep posting new ones in the future.